YouTube, I'm back with another video. I'm excited about this one. I'm very excited about this one. I can finally do this video. Package! Another day, another package. Sheesh. Yeah, you know what this is. That's the wireless charging pad. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can see all the content I post first. And don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, you know what this is. Rip me out the plastic. I'm acting brand new. Yes, sir. Tomb 45 clipper. Bro, this is super nice. You see the packaging, the green all over it. On the side, wireless charging clipper, wireless charging pad not included. So if you bought this and you didn't get your wireless charging pad, whoever you bought it from, make sure you talk to them, let them know you didn't get it. Wireless charging clipper, black titanium MIM, fade blade, 5-position lock and stretch, taper lever. It is a stretch bracket. High speed is 7,500 RPM. Low speed is 6,800 RPM. Lithium ion battery, up to 4 hours of runtime. Battery level LED indicator screen, compact ergonomic design. This is nice. I haven't actually bought a Babyliss clipper. I've bought Babyliss products, just not a clipper. Of course, I had to support the industry and Chris Bossio and all those guys at Tomb 45. There is a 2-year warranty on this. And the other side basically just says all the stuff on the back all over again. So let's take this out. Now, I've seen some videos. They say it's hard to get this joint out of this package. So we gonna see. They packed this a little tight, man. They packed this a little tight. It says it's a fade blade. This looks more like, you know, what everyone's doing right now, a fusion blade. It's usually between a taper and a fade blade, but we'll see about that. Usually on those kind of blades, the tapered part is a little bit longer, but it's not a full fade blade. But no, this feels real good in hand. It's actually lighter than I thought. Everyone was saying it was super bulky. I don't feel like it's too big. I feel like it's shorter than a lot of clippers. If you got an Andis MV2, it's about the same size. What else I got in here? It's a little bit shorter than a JRL, top to bottom. It's barely bigger than the 360 Jeezy clipper. Barely bigger, but it is a bit wider. I really like this click lever. Everybody's been talking about the click lever. The click lever is really nice. The grip on it, this is like extremely, what is it, ergonomical, however you say it. I don't even know if that's correct, but it's ergonomic as hell. I like the green accents. Tomb 45 on the back. It's like a green blade, but it changes colors a little bit. Green screw on the side. Turn it on, green screen, about 69%. No, this is nice. I like the matte. I feel like it's not too slick. It's not too slippery. It's definitely a matte paint on it. We're gonna check this out today and see how we like it. What else is in the box though? Hey, Tomb 45, Babyliss. Y'all wrong for putting this clipper in there so tight. I understand you gotta protect it, but I know somebody dropped a clipper trying to get it out. Okay, these are what I've been waiting for. I ordered a second set. Well, I ordered a first set because I didn't know if I would be able to get these clippers in time. I ordered the guards first. Still haven't got those. Babyliss Tomb 45. I don't know who to talk to about that, but make sure y'all stocking them stores with the guards, because this is something to look forward to for sure. We got a 0 to a 4 in the Tomb 45 guards. I'm gonna do a video on the guards for sure. You got your regular screw, oil, brush, charging cable. It comes with a block. A lot of clippers ain't coming with blocks no more. It also has another cam follower, so I appreciate that. What they got in here. Okay, the book. Do y'all actually read the book, or am I the only one? I like to make sure I charge it the correct amount of charge before I use it usually. All right, I'm gonna charge these up and we gonna take them for a spin today. See y'all.
I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick if she getting out of line all the time. I'm a dip. I been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. I got money on my mind, get a bag and make it flip. I'm tryna bend the block and something vicious like whoa. Tryna pull up with the top missing like whoa. A foreign whip with all my dogs in it like whoa. We might pull up with some women that you might know slight though like whoa. You ain't got no war, face it. I know a couple bad little bras with some braces. Say she like the way I match the bezel with the bracelet. The watch gotta compliment the gold on my laces. If it's a problem, I ain't really with the talking. Quick to pull up on the like I'm Ray Allen in Boston. And we ain't playing fair, I'm pulling cars, ain't no room for no squares on my boulevard. I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. If she getting out of line all the time, I'ma dip. I been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. I got money on my mind, get a bag and make it flip. I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. I'ma dip. I been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. Get a bag and make it flip. I got a quarter tank of gas, I don't know where I'm headed though. My woman say I'm at Jack. She just having an episode. We only do the dash, driving like a professional. I ain't even trying to brag, but I've been feeling incredible. I've been getting paid, sitting in the shade, sipping lemonade. Ride past all the women wave. I ain't trying to hang. Shoot my shot, then I fade away. That's the play away. Get a bag, throw it in the safe.
I know I look tired right now. It's been a long morning. The results are in. I got a verdict. First of all, let me say this. I've been using the Oster Fast Feed since I started cutting hair. I've been using Purple Guards since I started cutting hair. Every single day, I get a new clipper. I give it a couple haircuts, go back to the Fast Feed. It's my comfort. You know what I mean? This is my favorite clipper of all time. This is all I've used since I started cutting hair. I started on a master, switched to this, and I haven't switched off of it. It cuts away hair, all that. With that being said, these are about the same size. I don't know if you can see that, but they open up about the same distance. Blade is very, very similar. The Fast Feed has a taper blade on it. It's not as much of a taper blade as a master. This has, they call it a fade blade, but it looks exactly like the fusion blades that everyone's making right now. It's a mix between a fade blade and a taper blade. That being said, this is corded, obviously. This is cordless. But other than that, I mean, there's not many differences. For the first time in my career, I've used this clipper all day. I've used guards that come with it. I haven't had any issues. I haven't went back to my Fast Feeds. And that's crazy for me to say. This is my very first Babyliss clipper that I've ever purchased. I tried the Gold FX joints. I tried a lot of those. I didn't care for them as much. I do think the guards have a lot to do with how I feel about this clipper, because this is one of the first clippers that I've actually used the guards that come with the clipper. And I was excited for those guards because I heard Get Beam created them similar to the Purple Guards. The Purple Guards have been my favorite guards I've used since I've started cutting hair. I've used them since I started cutting hair. They've been around forever. And I didn't like any wall Babyliss, any of those clippers, because I couldn't put a purple guard on. There were no guards that were similar to the Purple Guards, cut the same, or anything like that. I tried the Stylecraft guards, the double magnet Stylecraft guards on the 360 GZ clipper. I wasn't as much of a fan. I will say the JRL guards and these Babyliss guards have changed my mind on a lot of clippers because of the guards alone. Let's not get too far off topic. This clipper feels really nice in hand. They say it's bulky. It's got a little size to it, but it's not crazy bulky. It feels really, really good in hand. The blade is super nice. The clicking, the lever, everything is nice about it. The wireless charging pad, I like the wireless charging pad a lot. It's something different. It's not a dock. Obviously, it's going to take up a little bit more space on your station, but I do like it a lot. But all in all, this is my favorite clipper right now. It may change. Maybe I'll go to something else. Maybe I won't. But as of right now, I used this clipper for every single haircut yesterday. It got to a point where I realized I wasn't even recording anymore. I was just cutting hair. I'm gonna say one thing though with these clipper guards, it's a little confusing when you see them because some of them are the same size. This is a 1 guard and this is a half guard, and they are the exact same size. One is a little bit thicker than the other, but it's the same exact size. So when they're turned over and you look at it and you go to pick it up right away without actually paying attention completely, you could mistake a 1 for a half guard. You could mistake a half guard for a 1 guard. That is the one thing I will say about these. I feel like the printing on these could rub off a little bit. I'm not sure if they will or not. We'll see in due time, but it's a little confusing. But I do love these guards. Now, some people are saying the print could rub off on these, but if you look on the inside, it does have a 1 in all the information it has on the opposite side on the inside. So you'll still be able to tell which guard it is. Now, I used this clipper all day yesterday. You see that? 59% battery still left. That's crazy. This is a really long lasting battery. It's a lithium ion battery. It's a pretty good product. I love the screen on it. It feels really, really good in hand. People are calling it a burrito and all that. It's a nice clipper. Y'all gotta stop that hate, bro. Like, it's getting out of hand. I'm gonna say this is gonna be my go-to clipper from now on. I'm gonna say it. I hope I don't take it back, but I'm putting away the Fast Feeds. I'm gonna unplug them, put them into my graveyard. I just got too many clippers in my drawer right now. I got 360 Jeezys, I got Andis MV2s, I have everything. I'm gonna be honest, These charging ports here, I probably will not use. I'll probably just use it with the charging dock. If I'm doing a house call, I guarantee this will last me the entire time I'm doing a house call or whatever I'm doing. So there's really no need for me to use these charging ports. But there was no charger sent for this charging port right here. You only have a USB-C. So I don't have that charger anyway. Also, I see a lot of people switching this blade for a taper blade. I thought about it, but I do like this blade a lot, so I probably won't do that. I like the mix between the taper and the fade blade. And all the companies are doing that now. You got Andis with a fade blade. You got Stylecraft with the Vapor blade, Babyliss. I mean, they're calling this a fade blade, but it does feel like a fusion blade. Usually on a taper blade, this hump right here, this top hump is a lot lower. But for the most part of my career, I've used taper blades. So the fusion blade is really cool. It gives you a different aspect. I feel like now I'm looking forward to doing more cuts with this clipper. If you are looking for a good clipper, definitely check out the Babyliss Tomb 45 clipper. If you're in Arizona, hit up West Valley Barber Supply, see if they have it there. A lot of times they do. If you're online, Pro Styling Tools. Go check out Pro Styling Tools and they'll get you right. It took me a while to get this clipper because it was back ordered, but I believe Pro Styling Tools does pre-orders on these. Make sure you purchase them before they go out of stock. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. We are close to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. We'll see. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. If she getting out of line all the time, I'ma dip. I been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. I got money on my